magic trick. Wait, I'm just gonna get the materials. Okay, you get this. Like that. You see this. See that. Like that. This part is gonna go here. And this. Oh my god. This. Like this. Don't leave yet. Maybe you're just gonna skip my video. See that? See. We just need patience on this part. Yeah, patience. Yeah, patience. For God, why you? I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna show you the video. I'm trying to do this video.
Okay guys, watch and learn. Okay, meron akong isang bagay na hawak sa aking kamay. Ito ay masking tape. Okay? And the next one is the cord of the charger, cellphone cord, charger, and the sombrero cap. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, ito ay mahaba ito, buo siya. Wala tong putol, ha? Now, ang gagawin natin ay itatali natin yung masking tape. Isusuot natin yung kabilang dulo ito. Susuot natin dito. Like that. So, ganito na siya guys. Ngayon, ilalagay natin siya dito sa sombrero. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Okay, so itong dulo ay hindi ko yan binababaan. Nandito lang sa taas. Pero magugulat kayo sa resulta. Oops. Okay, ayan na guys. Ayan na guys.